If you're running a business without a CRM system, you're leaving money on the table, period. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. A customer relationship management system, also known as CRM, isn't just a fancy contact list. It's the central nervous system of your business. It tracks every client interaction, manages your sales pipeline, automates follow-ups, and ensures no lead falls through the cracks. Without one, you're relying on memory, scattered spreadsheets, and hoping nothing gets missed. That's not a system, that's chaos. The challenge has always been finding a CRM system that does everything you need without costing a fortune or requiring a computer science degree to operate. That's why we absolutely love Go High Level. Go High Level isn't just a CRM system. It's an all-in-one platform that replaces multiple tools you're probably already paying for separately. You get email marketing, appointment scheduling, pipeline management, automated workflows, landing page builders, and even website builders, as well as a membership portal. Everything lives in one place, talking to each other seamlessly. What really sets it apart is the price point. Most platforms charge you per feature, per user, with costs spiraling quickly as your business grows. Go High Level gives you the access to the entire suite of tools at an affordable, flat rate. You're getting enterprise-level features without the enterprise-level price tag. We've seen it transform how businesses operate, turning manual, time-consuming tasks into automated systems that run in the background while you focus on what actually matters, serving your clients and growing your revenue. Want to see what Go High Level can do for your business? Click the link in the description for a free 14-day trial. Just 2 weeks to experience how a real CRM system can change everything. Or if you want more hands-on help getting started, connect with us for a complimentary strategy session.